Hi guys! Welcome to nene and nanai's vlogs! Today, my Polly Pocket has arrived from Amazon and I'm so excited to see it. Now we just need to unbox it. First, we remove the tape. Here, and here. See, now it's good. We remove this other tape. We stick it here, so we won't have any troubles. Then we need some scissors to unbox it. Wait a moment. I think we need to rip this. Yeah, it's ripped. Now we open this, and we have the opening. I will check if there's anything inside. Oh, there's nothing. That's all. This is a box, and this is it. But they have some stuff that are inside this. Now we need to open them. But we need some scissors and everything, so we can, open it, because it's hard to take it. Now it's open. We need to remove it, and they have this holder, so anytime we want to bring it anywhere, we just can remove it. It's a little hold. Oh, it's easy actually. We remove some side from here. It's not broken. It's not.
Wait.
This is not broken.
Wait. Give me.
We just go here. Snip. And we remove it. See? It's like this. Then we just attach this again so it won't get lost. This is just for attaching so it won't get lost in case you want to bring it anywhere. It's like this. Then we open it from its hand. And after we open it. Oh. I know what to do. I did this mess. We open it with its hand and then we twist this part or something. Oh, I forgot, guys. They also have something inside that includes. Ta-da! This is just the wrapper that we unwrap. It's a little pocket bag. See, it's like this. And then after we have it here, then we flip it. And after we open this, there's a lot of pieces. They have 2 chairs. And they have this table. And they have a small little penguin design. They have some ice blocks. They don't have one person. They have another person joining too. It's a girl and a boy. And they have a penguin family. This way, they have more stuff. They have this. We need to be careful. It's tiny ice cream. And we have somewhere else that I didn't rip. Here we open it. Here. They have a penguin family. I just opened the teeny penguin. See? There is the other stuff that we missed. Every teeny tiny girl. This. And they have the chair. And they have a snowman. They have this small teeny tiny game. And they have one more thing. Another ice cream. These came with the Polly Pocket. This one came in the Polly Pocket. And these are the instructions.
Show here. Show.
And they have teeny tiny chairs. And one table that we can keep that. So guys, I already opened it and this is what was inside. Ta-da! They have some stairs and they have this. They have slime and they have a door that we can open. They show here this area. If you see in the box, they show one penguin here and then we add a teeny tiny penguin here. And then we have the two people right here and we had one penguin skating over here. See, they have something removed. This is like something, a place to like eat ice cream. Wait, where does the table go? Oh, there. It's like this. This is all the stuff. And then we need to find something else that we put. And here we keep the baby penguin and we keep one chair. Do you see this chair? We keep it in here because they have one dot. Then we put it. The dot and then we clip it. And clip. Wait, it's also hard. Let's do this later. And they have the two little people right there. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more toy unboxing. So bye guys!